Optimism on Wall Street, stocks soaring as the number of new jobless claims continues to decline. At the White House, President Trump preparing to deliver remarks to commemorate the National Day of Prayer after meeting with the Texas governor. I'm Melissa Francis.
I'm Connell McShane. Welcome to After the Bell, everybody. You know, we're watching, the Dow's up 200 points. We're really watching the Nasdaq to see how it would close here. And it looks like if it settles in where it is now, it will be positive for the year, which is really unbelievable when you think about all that we've been through. So we'll talk more about that. And we also have earnings from Uber coming out any moment, so we will cover that for you. Fox Business team coverage of all our top stories now with Lauren Simonetti watching those markets. Blake Berman has the latest from the White House. There's been a lot of news there today. And Susan Lee with Uber and more from our newsroom in New York. But Lauren, we start with you.
Hey guys, good to see you. So I don't want to call it a fade because certainly we're positive, but the Dow had been up 430 points. It did lose some of that momentum, closing at, 23,875 for a gain of 211 points, but certainly a fade for the third day in a row. Take a look at the Nasdaq. It didn't close above 9,000, but it is positive on the year by 7 points. What a day. What's been powering the Nasdaq and the overall market? The mega caps, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, and Microsoft. If you look at them this quarter, they're all up at least 15%. Strong balance sheet, cash flow, and generally seen as immune to government regulation, which had been an overhang. There's very much a push and pull that we're seeing in the market right now. Signs that the economy is reopening. Let's take a look at some of the travel stocks. They rebounded today. A 5.5% gain for Carnival, 7% gain for MGM. But there's also questions over how fast the economy can heal. And that answer is largely medical. Take a look at Moderna shares today. Total rally. They got FDA approval to accelerate a vaccine trial. That stock up 8%. Peloton. Looks like a record close. They signed up more than 1 million subscribers during lockdown. And PayPal, one analyst says it's more relevant now than ever before. That stock up 14%, Lyft up 21%. Look, the jobs report tomorrow, that's going to capture the full impact of the coronavirus. Investors today shrugging off more bad data that another 3.1 million Americans filed for jobless benefits, or 30.5 million since this pandemic began. And breaking news just crossing the wires right now. And let's take a look at financials as we do this story. The Philadelphia Fed President, Patrick Harker, just making remarks saying he does not think big banks should be issuing large dividends right now. They need to preserve cash. Nonetheless, financials were a positive sector today, one of the best sectors. The Philly Fed president also said that the Fed is thinking about setting up facilities to direct lend to colleges and nonprofit medical institutions.